Okay, don't laugh at me, okay? Because this is my own invention. I threw in some Italian parsley and a little bit of milk with some onion flakes in here and a little bit of nutmeg, okay? Just a dash. And then I'm gonna cook this, some shrimp, you know, like half a bag of this shrimp, which was a pound, I believe. Yeah, 16 ounce, it's a pound. Okay, and I'm gonna mix this that I had there for the longest time, which is New England clam chowder. There you go. Chunky. It has potatoes in it and that white cream. So I'm gonna mix it all up and I'm gonna put some black pepper and I'll let you know how good it is, okay? Okay, bye.